Hey, welcome back to 70 by 70. This is Raj, back with you with my childhood memories and ambitions. Looking back at our childhood, I remember I had only a few things to play with: a punctured tire, or maybe a few marbles, a top. There was no equipment which could kindle my scientific imagination. Even if our parents take us to museums where things are exhibited, there are no way that we can touch and play with them. When I saw such facilities available for children in Europe and other developed countries, I was bent upon taking my grandchildren to one such facility that is available in our county. It was called Hands On House in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, where my grandchildren had a whale of a time. It was great fun being there, not only for my grandchildren, especially for me, as I learnt a lot of new things and new tricks. It was a fun place to learn while playing. They had different areas with different kinds of interest for children, like trying your hand at building things and trying your hand in a farm where you can see the cows and eggs and hen and how they are being maintained. You can use a market to go and feel how you can buy things and farm equipments on which you can sit yourself and start working with the models. Like that, they had many interesting areas to play and learn. They even had a huge open area where you can run around and catch number of butterflies and lot of small insects, and it was very appealing for children. Now, I'm going to let you get the child out of you and wander through this museum in this short video by yourselves and have fun.
So I don't want an car.
There is a farm. Hen house all done? இது ஒன்னொன்னா முடிக்கட்டும். Who is there? Yeah, pig is there. Pig.
Nim.
Neil?
Wow! Good job!
Good job.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸಾರೇ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ
You want to pick apple? Yes. No. Biology குடிக்கிறாமா?
Mia, do you see parrot? Come. Come on, come on, come on. Nursery. Back.
Again?
Hey, how was your experience? Did it bring back the child in you? Next week, I'm planning to take you on another such facility which is available here, which is little bit more advanced for little bit elder children. Wait, just a week, we will kindle your childhood memories again. Stay with me and I will take you through different experiences that we all had felt during our lifetime.